Dear viewers, imagine if you could scroll through Cristiano Ronaldo's life like a flipbook of selfies, from his diaper days to his dazzling 40s. Picture this, baby Ronaldo at 1 year old, already giving that intense stare, like he's plotting his first goal. He's clutching a rattle, but you can tell, even then, he was destined for the Ballon d'Or. Fast forward to 10-year-old Ronaldo, rocking an unfortunate bowl cut that could have been a goalpost's best friend. His oversized jersey looks like it could double as a tent. He's trying to look tough, but there's a chocolate smudge on his cheek, revealing his true love, snacks. At 18, he's the teenage heartthrob with frosted tips, looking like he walked straight out of a boy band audition. The only thing shinier than his smile is the gel in his hair. He's practicing his free kicks, but he still trips over his shoelaces now and then. By 25, Ronaldo's abs are as defined as a roadmap, and he's perfected his signature, "I'm about to take over the world" look. But in one pic, he's caught mid-sneeze during a team photo, and it becomes a meme that even his abs can't save him from. At 30, Ronaldo is on top of the world, but in one hilarious shot, he's caught struggling to zip up his designer jacket, looking more like a fashion victim than a football icon. The jacket wins this round. Finally, at 40, Ronaldo is still the picture of perfection, except in one pic where he's trying to impress his kids by dabbing, and it's clear dabbing is not his strong suit. His kids are mortified, but Ronaldo just laughs it off, because even at 40, he's still the GOAT, just with a few more dad jokes up his sleeve.